Hello all, hope you had a great 2024 and looking forward to the year ahead. Here's my market outlook for 2025. As Donald Trump enters into his second term, there are similarities from his first term that we need to review. In 2016, rates were starting to climb and the US dollar was high. This is similar to today. With his pro-America and pro-growth agenda, the US needs rates and the US dollar to come down. If not, all other countries will suffer as their debts are paid in US dollars. On the international side, China is in a severe recession and needs to print money. They cannot do so until the US dollar comes down. Japan is in a similar situation in terms of the need for US dollars. The Eurozone as well. If the US dollar remains high, the productivity of all of these nations will suffer and likely result in recessions. In Canada, we already see a weak economy, lack of federal leadership, high inflation, high real estate costs, and a $60+ billion of national debt. We also have many mortgage renewals coming over the next 2 years at likely double the current monthly payments. The incoming US president is also threatening tariffs on Canada, which would hurt our economy and our dollar. Therefore, in Canada, we need a weaker US dollar and lower interest rates if we are to head back in the right direction. So how does this affect markets? We had a strong 2023 and 2024. So what does 2025 have in store? Most of the story can be linked to the world needing more US dollars, which means more money printing and lower rates. In a world where Trump reduces dollar strength, this will allow stocks to perform. As rates continue to come down, bonds can also do well in the short term. The risk to watch is if inflation comes back. We think asset inflation like stocks or real estate going up is likely, but not consumer inflation, as the rest of the world is in economic slowdown compared to the US. In a world where rates come down and the US dollar declines and money printing comes back on, Bitcoin is also likely to do well. Overall, we should see a positive year in the markets for 2025, but expect a bit of a bumpy ride. Speak soon.